مرحبا يا شباب. So, welcome to a brand new video. We are almost at the end. So in the previous video, as you can see, we implemented the function to solve part 2 of the day 1 challenge. And now, of course, we want to also test if it works. So we open again our secret underscore entrance underscore test file. And let me just copy the method name. So we write now a new unit test. So, okay. And now we say, gosh, why? And yeah, we have to give it this parameter, otherwise it doesn't work. And yes, that's basically it. And now again, of course, we want to um, test things. So basically, what we can do now is remember we cannot copy these tests because this is just when it's the dials is exactly at 0. So, but we can copy the beginning of it. So it will look similar. Okay, tests. Now again, here we have one. We say. Uh, Yes. Here we say multiple instructions. We give it multiple instructions. Basically, sorry. I was thinking. Yes, we take this. We take this. Okay, we take this. Then here we say, of course, we want input. And yes. Now, let me just test. Just we have to define them here. Let's see if the ID is smart enough to recognize what I want. Everyone is nowadays talking about artificial intelligence. Let's see if there's artificial intelligence in our ID. So this is 30. Oh no, I think AI is a disappointment right now. This is 48. So maybe if we just delete it, and it will be smart enough to see what I want here. No, unfortunately not. But anyways, we just can keep on adding this stuff. So the next one is R60. 55, L55. Okay, let me just delete that again. Say here 1, duplicate it, say here 99. Then we have R14. And yes, this one is L and 82. Okay, so I'm using this because here the outcome is quite predictable. Okay, this one I shouldn't delete. Okay, and he wants because here, yeah, should be 6. I mean, as you see, I just took the sample data in here. Here we want 6. Am I? No, I'm not right. Should be here. Want 6. Okay. Now we can something a little bit test also something a little bit odd, I would say. Let's say name is 0 instructions. Yes, empty array, and of course want 0. Okay. Maybe the IDE has some kind of AI built in. Now let's see. We take now a single instruction. And here we say instead of 10, we give it 1000. So basically, if you divide now it will rotate, I mean, 1000 positions. If it's rotating 1000 positions, when we're doing here the calculation with all 100 position, and it's quite easy. It's 100 divided 1000 divided through 100. I'm not quite sure if this is the correct English expression, but yeah, you take the number 1000, what we have here, steps, divided by 100, you get 10. So, and we want 10 here, of course. And yeah, I would say that's it. You can, again, you can add as much of test cases as you like. And yes, now let's get it started. The ID is doing some good suggestions. I mean, it's currently just pattern recognition. Okay, let me. I think we're done. Let me run this test. Okay, looks very good. Now, if we run all tests. Let me just reverse search it. I think it's go test. Yes. Yeah, looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Now if we run it with coverage. And yes, I think looks good. Yeah. Secret entrance, yeah, everything's tested. It's all covered. You can do it also in the terminal, I guess, with dash dash cover. Was it like this? Yeah, dash dash cover. It is with dash dash cover. As you can see, looks good, looks very good. Also, util is quite good tested. Why is util not tested? Shouldn't be. Read input. Huh? Does it not work? It does work. Yeah, I don't know why this is not working. I mean, the coverage should be there. Maybe I did something wrong. Yeah, but anyways, I'm pretty sure it got covered when I was testing stuff. But yeah, Anyways, it should actually be covered, but yeah, it is what it is right now. It doesn't matter so much. Yeah, we are done. Oh no, sorry, we are not done yet. What we have to do is, of course, we have to go to main, duplicate this line, and say here for part 2, we use count the other method, count dial points and past 0. I know the name's a bit odd, then the method naming or variable naming was never my strong suit. But yeah, maybe you can find a better method name for it. Let's run this. As you can see, we got here 2 different numbers. Take the one for part 2, paste it in here and click on submit. And yay, it works. Yeah. As you can see, I have now 2 stars in here. Again, you cannot copy paste my number. These numbers will completely different than yours because you will get a different input than me, most likely. And yes, that's basically it. That's it for Advent of Codes. And this is how you, if you want to go through Advent of Code, this is always the thing you read the instruction, blah, 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 blah. Then you get an example, okay? Then they explain in detail what they want. And yes, and then you think about an algorithm how to solve it. And yes, you can reuse the util function in here, the read input from the util package in your main. And normally what I would do is just create here directory day02, and again here at main.go. Let's do main.go, and I will also call it gift shop here. And yeah, that's how you would go through it here in the gift shop. This is where your logic goes. You read through the instructions, write the logic. Then again in main, you can reuse the stuff, and that's basically it. Or if you want to structure it otherwise, it's totally fine. Yeah, that's basically it. And as you can see, I think this is the 9th video of this tutorial series. I will leave it for now. And if you want to see more um, Go tutorials, let me know in the comments. And I think the next videos that I will publish will be also something on tools. And yeah, again, I will also publish everything on GitHub. You will be able to copy paste my code from GitHub. Also, if you want some more different explanation, just go on habibi.coding, go on these 2 blog posts. And next video will be again about tools. A tool, and then I think I will create a video series about Kubernetes with Terraform and so on and so forth, about Gateway API, and yeah. So yeah, that's it. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, subscribe. See you in the next video. Ila liqa.